In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to brainstorm ideas in ClickUp using whiteboards. Whether you're planning a project, mapping out content, or capturing a rush of thoughts, whiteboards give you a flexible canvas to think visually and collaborate in real time. I'll walk you through opening a whiteboard, creating a fresh space, adding ideas, organizing them into themes, and drawing connections that make your plan crystal clear. First, open whiteboards. Look to the left sidebar in ClickUp and click Whiteboards to enter that area. If your workspace has lots of features, this menu keeps things tidy, and whiteboards live right there. Make sure you're in the space or folder where you want the board. If you don't see it, check the More section, or expand the sidebar to reveal hidden items. Next, create a new whiteboard. Click the plus icon labeled New Whiteboard. Give it a clear name like Marketing Ideas Q2 or Product Launch Brainstorm. Then click Create. A blank canvas opens, ready for your ideas. A descriptive name helps you and your teammates recognize the context at a glance later. Now add ideas. Click anywhere on the board and choose text or sticky notes. Sticky notes are great for quick thoughts, while text works for headings or longer explanations. Keep each note focused with one idea per note. Don't aim for perfection. Brainstorms thrive on volume. Capture everything and refine later. Color coding can help too. Once you've got a handful of notes, start organizing. Drag notes to group related ideas into clusters. Resize items to highlight priorities or shrink supporting details. Move things freely until patterns appear. Try arranging big themes to smaller tasks, or left to right as a simple workflow. You're revealing structure, not locking anything in, so feel free to shuffle as you learn more. Finally, connect ideas. Use lines or arrows to link notes that influence each other or belong in a sequence. Arrows show direction, like step A leading to step B, while lines work for looser relationships. Add brief labels on connectors so relationships like cause, dependency, or sequence are instantly clear. As you draw connections, you'll spot gaps, dependencies, and opportunities, turning scattered thoughts into a coherent plan. And that's how you brainstorm ideas in ClickUp using whiteboards. Quick and easy. If this helped you map out your next project, give it a like, share it with your team, and subscribe to the channel for more practical ClickUp tips. Thanks for watching, and happy brainstorming!